Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can configure Firewall on Kali Linux to protect HTTP access. If you want to know more about how to install Firewall on Kali Linux, then you can click on the I button. Let's use the list port command and you can see the port 80 is open. So if I run a port 80 service, if I run a service on port 80 on this machine, let's try to start the Apache service, or you can use the Python server, which I explained you in the some of the last videos. So you can use the Python 3-m http dot server command followed by the port number which you want to allow. So for now, I started this service on port 80, and in this situation, you can see that the Python server is running on my port. Now, if I go to my Windows browser and try to access the IP address over here, so I'll use the command as 192.168.4.12 and hit enter. You can see all the contents which were available in that directory in my Kali's directory. I'm able to see and I can download or open any files from here, as you can see. But if I go back and try to remove this particular port, so for that I'll use the command as remove port followed by equals to, then port number followed by the transport layer protocol. So in this case, it's a TCP port 80. So I'm just trying to remove it. Now you can use the list port command and you will not find this specific port added here. So now in this situation, if I go back to my browser and open a new tab and try to access the same website running on the same IP address, in this situation, you will not be able to access the website as I blocked the port 80 on the server. So now the server is not accepting the traffic for port 80. So in this situation, you will not be able to access the website running on port 80. If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.